This is the Motorola Moto G17 Power, and at around €190, Motorola is once again going all in on what it does best: battery life, clean Android, and solid everyday performance. Let's break down what this phone actually offers and whether it makes sense in 2026. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into it. Starting with the design, the Moto G17 Power looks surprisingly premium for its price. From the image, you can see a clean, minimalist back with a silicone polymer eco-leather finish, which not only looks good but also improves grip and resists fingerprints. The camera module is neatly integrated into the top left corner, keeping things simple and modern. The phone is fairly slim at 8.8 millimeters, and despite the large battery, it doesn't look bulky. You also get IP64 water and dust resistance, which is a nice bonus in this segment. On the front, there's a large 6.72-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD with a 1080 by 2400 resolution and up to 1050 nits of brightness in high brightness mode. It's not AMOLED, but it's sharp, bright, and perfectly usable outdoors, making it great for watching videos, browsing, and daily use. Powering the phone is the MediaTek Helio G81 Extreme, paired with 8 GB of RAM and either 256 or 512 GB of storage. There's also a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is rare to see these days. Performance is aimed at everyday users, social media, streaming, multitasking, and light gaming, and it runs Android 15 with Motorola's clean, near-stock software experience, which remains one of its biggest advantages. On the back, you get a 50-megapixel main camera and a 5-megapixel ultrawide. This setup is designed for consistency rather than complexity, delivering solid photos in good lighting and useful wide-angle shots when needed. The front camera is a 32-megapixel shooter, which is impressive for this price and works well for selfies and video calls. Both front and rear cameras support 1080p video recording. Audio is handled by stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and yes, the 3.5mm headphone jack is still here. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi AC, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC depending on region, FM radio, and USB-C. The highlight of the Moto G17 Power is its 6,000 mAh battery. This phone is easily capable of 2-day battery life, especially with its efficient processor and clean software. Charging is handled at 30 watts, which is decent for a phone focused on endurance. The Motorola Moto G17 Power isn't about flashy specs. It's about reliability, battery life, clean software, and a premium feel at a low price. At around €190, it's a strong option for anyone who wants a phone that just works, lasts long, and doesn't try too hard to be something it's not. If battery life and a clean Android experience matter to you, this is definitely a phone worth considering. That's it for the video. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.